morning guys. So today, to start my day, I'm going to be doing my own room wallpaper. This wallpaper is a non-sticky room wallpaper. So I'm going to be teaching you all how to make a special paste and paste this all by yourself on your room. In my room, but still, this video is full on DIY. This is my room wall. It's white, plain and simple, so I'm kind of excited to paste this. So let's get into it. This is my room wall before. And now let's see after. So this is flour. We are going to put this whole thing into this bowl. You need 100 grams of sugar, So this is warm water. You should pour little by little and mix it. Let's get started now. So I measured the wall and how much wallpaper I'll be needing. So I decided to cut stripes by stripes and paste them. I'm done folding and measuring, so now let's get into all the cutting. No, come here. Alright, we are done with all the cutting. Now let's get into the pasting.
Minutes later.
I'm all done and this was the last piece. wallpaper is all done